In the summer, it's a race to beat the heat.
I've watched people in the construction industry who used to be able to make it and survive in the heat of the day now saying, I'm going to work at 4 a.m. because I don't want to be out there. I'm going to work at 4 a.m. because I don't want to die.
Veronica Manolio represents several general contractors in the Valley, which is why she thought SB 1182, signed as an emergency measure in May, would be a great thing for her clients.
It was done and implemented on an emergency basis because we're dealing with the heat of the summer.
The law says that a municipality or county cannot enforce any noise ordinance, rule, or regulation for general construction between 5 a.m. and 7 p.m. during weekdays in the summer and 7 to 7 on Saturdays.
Noticeably absent is any mention of community associations at all.
Curtis Eckmark represents community associations, including one in Scottsdale that Manolio says her clients have been blocked from entering before 7 a.m.
Individual homeowners in Arizona and throughout the country always have the right to be more restrictive than the municipality if they want. And it's the same with community associations.
Manolio says she's thought about taking this issue to court, but says her clients don't want that.
More times than not, I get met with what I perceive as an elitist attitude. We don't have to. Why would we care? We don't care about safety as much as we care about our peace and quiet.
He says he understands there's a fine line between construction and comfort, but for now is just representing his clients.
I think that's the real balance. And I think over time that'll get worked out.
And State Senator Annalise Ortiz was the sponsor of this bill. She told us that, as with most things in the legislature, she had to make compromises and pass small steps to make what she calls bold change. Ortiz says that she does plan to come back to this law next session and try and update it so it does also apply to HOAs and community associations. For now, reporting live in Phoenix, Prelutsky for Arizona's Family.
All right.